Namaste everyone. So in this video I will show you how you can make use of Shikakai powder. So this is Nature Products Shikakai powder. This is our product, and we have not added any chemicals and preservatives for this one. And you can take a 1 full tablespoon of Shikakai powder. So it will be approximately 15 to 20 grams of weight. You can use this. So this will be sufficient for a male person. So depending on your hair, use more quantity of it. So you can take a warm water and mix this in a bowl. So if you use your hand, you can mix very easily. So for the 15 grams I used 40 grams of water. Okay, so it will be like this. So first apply water for your hair, and then pour this Shikakai powder, and then for 2 minutes you can gently massage your head, and then after that rinse with the water. So this is the process what we are following. So you can do as per your convenience. And we have provided a ziplock for this Shikakai powder packet. After using it, you lock this so that air will not go inside. While doing bath, don't let this Shikakai powder liquid go into your eyes. Otherwise, you will have a burning sensation in the eyes. So in case it goes into your eyes, then wash your eyes properly with clean and lukewarm water and close your eyes. After some time, the burning sensation will subside. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Namaste.